So today we're talking all about t-shirts, my favorite brands, and my top 5 recommendations of brands that are gonna work well for you in 2026. Why? Because t-shirts are still a billion-dollar industry in 2026, which means that if there's billions to be made, I want to be in that number, okay? And guess who is selling t-shirts? Me. So I am going to give you my recommendations for the brands that I actually use for my brand, right? The brands that I spend money on. I'm going to give you the industry recommendations, and I am also going to tell you where you can get these items from, because I want for you to win in 2026 in the t-shirt game. All right. Before we jump into that, my name is Crystal Lee. I've been doing this for over 10 years, made over $1 million with t-shirts, and helped thousands of people to do the same thing. If you want to learn from me, comment t-shirts. I'll send you over my free class link and you can take that immediately. It'll also come with all the links that you need to get started right away. All right. So I'm going to first start with the top 5 recommended brands. These brands, you will hear them on pretty much every list, and there will be some bonuses added into here, and you'll hear a lot more about why these are the 5 on the list. All right. So we have Bella Canvas, all right, the 3001 model, which I absolutely use for Girl Plus God. Shout out to Bella Canvas. And that one is cotton. I'm also going to get into why it is important that I'm telling you what it's made of. All right. This one is best for retail and fashion, which is why I wear it. I love the cut. I serve women. Women love the way that it feels. They love the way that it washes, and they love the way that it looks on them. So that is also important. All right. Next, we have the Next Level 6210, which is going to be cotton and polyester. All right. This one is best for everyday wear, and it's great for comfort and durability. Next is going to be the Gildan G500. This one is 100% cotton. It is best for bulk ordering. Listen, Gildan is a workhorse. If you are printing up a lot of shirts for your conference, for your event, for you going on the road, Gildan is the ultimate budget-friendly option. The next one is going to be American Apparel. American Apparel was actually the first brand I ever used when I started my very first t-shirt brand. All right. They were expensive, so I have not used them since, but they are on this list. They are 100% cotton. They are premium, which is why it can cost a little bit more, but just throwing that out there. The next one is another Next Level, which is the 6010, and that one is a tri-blend. It's great for vintage and lifestyle, and it's great for a heathered look. So the heathered is when it has the little like speckled look to it. So let's talk about where you can actually get these t-shirts yourself. So if you are doing this yourself, you want to print it yourself, you want to ship it yourself, you can get it from a t-shirt wholesaler. However, you will have to have a resale license, and that's going to be for places like S&S Activewear, which I think they like merged with Alpha Broider. That's who I used when I had my own warehouse. However, if you are looking for a way to get started today and you don't have to spend money, you don't have to have a reseller's permit, you don't have to have all of these things, and you can just get your shirts printed right now and shipped off to your customers, you can absolutely use print on demand. They have all of these brands on there, as you can see from my screen. The top brands, not only that, they have different options. So you can do crew neck, you can do V-neck, you can do short sleeve, cropped, long sleeve. They got Bella Canvas, they got Next Level, American Apparel, all the things, Comfort Colors, which is another brand that is a bestseller there. So I would recommend that you get some samples from Printify, wash them, look and see how you like them. They also have a ton of colors to choose from. All right. So your options are endless when it comes to Printify. I started using print on demand because I did not have the money. So take the risk-free option to start off, to understand your customers. As I mentioned, my customers are women. So I know from trial and error what works. When I started, my t-shirts were fitted. However, they were too small for a lot of people because they ran small. So I had a lot of returns and exchanges. You don't want that. So you want to have a brand that works for your customers. So using unisex shirts actually works well for me now. And I let customers know, hey, these are unisex. So if you want a tighter fit, size down. If not, it's going to give you a looser fit. Now, I also mentioned that this matters because people are very conscious right now about what they're putting on their bodies. So you want to let the customers know like what's included in the shirt. What I also love about using Printify is that all of that information is embedded right into the description for you. They use AI, so it already says what is inside of the shirt. They have a size table that you can use. People know, hey, it's cotton, it has this in it, da da da, right? So this shirt is actually from Next Level, and this shirt is from Bella Canvas. This is my school shirt. The shirt is so soft, which I love. So when it comes to my brand, I'm either using one of three shirt companies. That is going to be Bella Canvas, okay? Because I don't play about my Bella Canvas. I love a good soft shirt, and so do my customers, all right? Next Level, which I do find that the Next Level shirts I use are a little, I don't know if crunchier is the right word, but it also depends on which one you use. And then the third is going to be Gildan. This one people have asked me about when I wear this one on camera, because this is like from when we had a lifestyle active wear line, and this is from the brand Ultra Club. So that's just a little bonus for you. What I would recommend you do if you are interested in starting a t-shirt brand is to log on to Printify today. You can do it for free. Look around, look at all of the shirt options, put your logo on that shirt, all right? You can do it directly in Printify, or you can use a logo or design you already have. You can do one on Canva. You can do it using AI like Chat, Gemini, Claude, and then you can upload it into your Printify and order a sample, right? That is the best thing that you can do for yourself today. Instead of thinking through, but what do? I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. This is what I want you to do to just get started. Order yourself a sample, put the shirt on your body, and see your design, your logo on a shirt and wear it. It is the best way for you to move forward and to get started, because there is going to be nothing like you seeing your own logo, your own work on yourself. And trust me, once you see it on thousands of people, millions of people, it is going to feel surreal. So I would do that today to get started. These are my t-shirt recommendations and recommendations from the industry as a whole. As I started this video and said, if there's billions of dollars to be made, why not make it? And especially if you can start for no money today using Printify, yeah, let's do that. So if you have any more questions about t-shirts, Printify, anything working with me, go ahead and leave them below. Make sure you subscribe, show some love to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.